Hey everyone, this is Lori, and in this video I'm going to be talking about different ways and provide some ideas for people to make money online if they're beginners. I get asked this question a lot by people. They want to make money online, but they're not sure how to get started. So I'm going to give you a few ideas that are easy. You can make money, and these sites are legitimate. Okay. So, I'm out of my website, and I'm going to go out to mobile offers and free apps. I started using a lot of different apps to make money, and I want to share some of those with you. I do Perksy. Now, this one is just basically answer questions. It's for Apple devices only. Okay, so you just earn points by answering questions. Okay, and when I took this picture, I had 783. Now I have about 1,400. I'm about 1,000 points shy of getting a $25 gift card from Amazon. Okay, so that's the first one. That's Perksy, and I'll leave a description. I'll leave links down in the description of this video. You can go out to the site and check it out and decide for yourself. This is another one that I really like. I've been paid by this one. The minimum payout is $15, but basically they ask a question and you provide your response by videoing yourself and then uploading that video. And don't worry about how you look, don't worry about how you sound. What they're mainly looking at is making sure that the video is not shaky. Okay, they just want you to be yourself. They want normal, everyday people to provide these responses. Okay, and I have been paid by these guys. And then this is just an example of the payments that I received. Now this one, $8. I got these from completing, I think, like 5 in a row, and I was able to get $8 for 5 videos or something like that. It was either 5 or 6. Okay, Q1, this is okay. This is not one of my favorites because I don't really make a lot of money. The good thing about Q1 is it's instant, so if you get a referral or you answer a question, they immediately send you 25 cents to your PayPal account. Okay, I bought it. This is not immediate either. I have made a lot more than that so far. I'm in the 100 club because I have made over $100. This is basically just when you go to the grocery store, they have offers. If you buy those offers, you get X amount back. Okay, it's $20 minimum in your account to cash out. But this is something that I use weekly when I go get groceries. Coupons is another one. It's not my favorite one, but it is instant. Once they approve you, it is instant to your PayPal. Okay, Coin Out. This is another one. Scan your receipt and you can get cash back for the groceries that you bought. Okay, now this one is my favorite one. Of all the apps I have, this one is my favorite one. It is for iPhone only, but all you do is you download apps, you test them for 3 to 6 minutes, and you can earn anywhere from 15 to 30 credits. You also get points when you get a referral. Okay, so this is my favorite one. I work on this every single day. Now they did take the Amazon gift cards away, but they've since put them back. But you do have to provide proof of who you are for the Amazon. For PayPal, you have to verify your phone number. But I'll have to add that back in. But here's what the interface looks like. Here's an app, and basically you just click on it. And I've done a video on this. So I'll leave the video to this iMoney down in the description. but it's really easy. You go out and they want you to, what they're doing is they're testing keywords for the app owners to see where it comes up and things like that. Okay, so they're trying to get better keywords for the app owners. So they're testing these out to see where they come out. But it is legitimate. I've made well over $100 when I put this online. Since then, I've made another $75, I believe. I'll have to update that. Okay, and then here's some trivia shows. There's no guarantee that you're going to make money because you do have to answer the questions. And if you don't answer the questions correctly, you get kicked out. But it's fun, something to do in your spare time. Okay, so making money through apps is one of my favorite ones. Another one is through surveys. Okay. You can sign up for different survey sites, and you want to make sure that they're legitimate. Okay, so these are all legitimate survey sites. Paid Viewpoint. I've done a few videos on these, on Paid Viewpoint. I've been paid 3 or 4 different times. Vendale Research is another popular one, and they do pay. Survey Junkie, Swagbucks, and Ipsos. Okay, those are all legitimate, and those are just a few. Okay, there's another one that I like. It's called QMe. This is get paid to search online. I also have some videos about that as well. You're not going to make a lot of money, but they also offer surveys that you do have to qualify for. So you want to be aware of that. Now, QMe does have an extension, and right now I have $1.72 in my piggy bank just from searching online. That's it. And I'll show you a quick, see if I can get this to come up. Just go out and do searches. Okay, it's not going to come up today. But the other day I had, when I did a search for QMe, I had a website come up, and it was 4 cents to go out and visit that website. See if I can get something else. Men's watches. You're not always going to get stuff come back. Okay, here's one right here. Watches. So what you do, basically, you just click on that. You go out to the website, and you can see right here, QMe is working. You definitely want to make sure that you're logged in. Okay, so it was 172, now it's 176. Okay, so you're not going to make a lot of money, and you're only going to have a chance to do maybe 1 or 2 of those searches. Okay, so they're very limited. But, you know, that's something that you can just keep accumulating, and you do make $1 for a referral that cashes out for the first time, but it's only a one-time thing. Okay, let's go back to, so there's surveys, there's apps. I do have a list of links. Okay, so some other ways that I make money is, I'm going to talk about Kidazzler in just a minute, is earnings and commission. I get $1 for every qualified lead. Funnel Franchise is another one that you could check out. And that is, you can make $4.70 per upgrade, $4.70 per upgrade. You don't have to join an upgrade. You can make money without upgrading through this. So I hope you check these out. I'll also add this helpful links to the description of this video. Okay, now, let's see some other things here. Here's some stuff that you want to, why most people fail to make money online. Excuse me. What you need to know about earnings proofs. And then here's several articles that I've posted about different ways to make money online, and they're legitimate. Okay? They're all legitimate. And here's some free courses if you want to learn how to make money online. Email marketing, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is by far my favorite way. You're basically referring people. You're promoting other companies and other people's services or products. And when a sale is made or there's some sort of action made, you can get a commission. That's what I do. Okay? Now, the one that I'm really excited about is making money with Kidazzler. Kidazzler is a new app that will be launched in April of 2019, which that's not far off. But right now what they're offering people is, and this is only for US and Canada for now. They will be opening it up later on to other countries, but they're being really tight-lipped about that. I would venture to say UK, Australia, New Zealand, maybe some other places. Those are the ones I'm thinking are going to be open. But I'm not exactly sure. Excuse me. Alright, so Kidazzler is offering a shared revenue model. And basically what they're asking people to do is help them build the directory because they want to be the go-to parent app for anything related to parenting, kids activities. Okay, they want to be that app that every parent wants to use. Okay, and they're going to have a website and an app that people can sign up for and use. But right now, until phase 1 is basically building the Kidazzler app by locking in businesses that you add. Okay, and at the 15th of this month, please check back because on the 15th of this month, I'm going to be doing a video on how to find those businesses and add them to the directory. And they're only letting us do initially 35 businesses, and then every month they up it by 5. Okay, but the thing where you can really do well here is by referring others as well. Friends, family, make a video about it, do a review about it. Things that are really easy to do and just get the word out. Social media, okay? So this article explains all of it. I can't wait. Now, how do you make money? All right, basically, Kidazzler is going to do all the selling for us. They're going to be closing the deal for us, okay? And again, this isn't going to cost us anything except our time, okay? They're going to be offering paid advertising options to the businesses that you lock in under your name. Okay, and what do I mean lock in? When you add that business through your account, your Kidazzler account, that business is permanently locked in under your name. And anytime that business decides to do the paid options, you get part of the revenue that Kidazzler makes. Okay? Now, there's not very many companies out there that do this, so I can't wait. When I uploaded this image on, I believe it was Monday, I had 3648 accumulated. I'm going to show you what I have now. $42.58 of potential earnings. Okay, and the breakdown, I'm a legendary agent, and I'm a rock star producer. I work on this every day, 7 days a week. Okay, so it says you can earn up to $4,800. You can earn more. This is unlimited. Okay, so for my 45 businesses times $10 per business, I have a potential of making $450. Now, not every business is going to opt for the paid advertising. Okay, that's realistic. Okay, but the people that I've referred to Kidazzler, they've added over 1,600 businesses, And for those businesses, I can make $2 per business if they decide to go for the paid advertising. So it's a potential of 3,200. And then the businesses added by my friends of their friends, I have a potential of making $562. Now again, this is potential only. Okay, realistically, I understand that I'm not going to be making 58 or 4,200 a month, because only a percentage of those businesses are going to be willing to pay for the advertising. Okay, but let's say it ends up being 500 to 1,000. That is monthly recurring income, and all I have to do is go out and find businesses and add them. And what I'm going to start doing is I'm going to start contacting the businesses that I've already added, let them know about Kidazzler, kind of introduce them before Kidazzler talks to them, and start really, letting them know that what Kidazzler's ultimate goal is. Okay? So it's going to be huge, and I hope that you'll join me in this venture. So even if you only make a couple of $100 a month, all you have to do is do the work once. Kidazzler will close a deal for you, and then you can make money from the shared revenue. Okay? And this is legit. Alright, so let's go back. These are the different badges that they give you. They also have great support, and they also have an Inner Circle Facebook page that you could join. Really cool. I love it. I can't wait. Again, this will be on the helpful links that I'm going to leave in the description of this video. Okay, so I'm going to go back. And there's some other ways that you can make money. Okay, so I've got side hustles you can start. Legitimate home businesses. You can learn about 5 home businesses that you can start for free. There's training for that. In the training, you can get training for 5 businesses for $7. And it gives you the basics. It gives you enough to get started. Okay, legitimate survey sites. I already went through some of those. Funnel franchise. Earn easy commissions. Now, my favorite one is funnel franchise and this one. Earn easy commissions is okay, but they're going through a lot of changes, and it irritates me to no end when a company goes through so many changes, and it just seems like they're not sure what they want to do. Okay, that's why I stopped promoting Joomla. They went through a tremendous amount of changes, and I just don't like them anymore, so I quit promoting them altogether, and I'm done with them. But definitely check out Kidazzler, the apps, and the survey sites. If you're new to making money online and you just want to get started, consider some of these courses to help you get started. A lot of free courses out there on Udemy. I love it. It's a great resource. Okay, so I'm going to stop this video now. I hope that you'll check out these links and check out these opportunities. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm here to help. Thanks.